Something's wrong.
Shut up with that nonsense.
Shh. There's a handsome boy.
He's usually a gentle soul.
It's this place, Teshio Ridge. Spirits are drawn to its snowy peaks. They lure settlers to their deaths.
People go missing. Happens all the time.
Are you as good with that sword as you are with horses?
When I'm motivated.
Ride with us. We'll pay you a generous sum now, then more on arrival.
Like hell we will. She's a woman.
Who just doubled her price.
Consider it done.
Yeah.
Rest up. It's not an easy journey. Time to go. There's a chill in the air.
I hate this route.
It'll be worth it. Remember our last trip?
I almost lost 3 toes to frostbite.
Instead, you returned with saddlebags full of coin.
This time feels different.
You'll both cheer up once we reach the Red Crane Inn.
The Red Crane Inn. Is that our destination?
It's the only bit of civilization in Teshio Ridge.
Even for Ezo, this valley is remote. Its settlers pay extra for the small comforts of home.
He means they're desperate.
Everyone has to make a living.
I hope the inn shamisen player hasn't moved on.
Still pining, eh?
It's not like that.
No, of course not. You're interested in her artistic integrity, not her.
That's enough! Eyes on the road!
Storm's brewing.
Wiggle your toes while you still have them.
We need shelter, or we'll freeze.
There's a cave not far from here!
Those lights, do you see them? Kitsunebi.
Foxfire.
To hell with this!
Wait!
Idiot. Stay close, or they'll pick you up.
This.
Onryo. Let's see how strong you are. Kill the others.
Where were you? Likely story. Still shaky. Need to find shelter.
定め見極め生きよ我が子この世の果ては心の溝知りも我が子よ見定め進め果てしなく
A cave.
我が子よさまよへ進め果てしなく
Start a fire. That's better. We've slept in worse places. I will find you. Let's get our bearings. Don't want to get caught out again. Those merchants were headed to the Red Crane Inn. As good a place as any to ask about the kitsune. That's where I'll find Master Enomoto. He could teach me the way of the Kusarigama. That's enough to go on. Come on, boy.
Welcome to the Red Crane Inn. I know just the sake to warm those bones.
Surprised you have any left.
It is our privilege to serve Clan Matsumae as they bring order to Ezo.
Ah, so that's what they're doing.
I don't want trouble. If you're interested in sake or a game of Zeni Hajiki, please take a seat. Otherwise, move along.
Who would know about the kitsune? Sake. Whatever's one step up from swill.
Drinking alone? That won't do.
May we join?
No,
Fine. Pay for your own sake.
I will. Someone must know something.
Pay up! Yeah, at this rate, I'll be leaving Teshio Ridge with only the shirt on my back.
Assuming we leave at all. I'm not sure this kitsune even exists.
The kitsune. Maybe I can win some coin and information. Looks fun. Is this a private game or can anyone join?
Anyone with coin to lose?
Take my spot, but be careful. He won't go easy on you.
Zeni Hajiki. I think I remember how to play.
Zeni Hajiki is a game of patience and strategy.
So you'll teach me?
Help me set up the table. Pick a coin, and we'll start with the basics.
This one feels lucky.
That's what they all say. Now pick the other coin, and aim it back at this one.
I have my eye on it.
Perfect. Now flick that coin as hard as you can. Well done. If you hit a coin, you get to keep playing.
And if I miss, my opponent gets a turn.
That's right. You must know what happens when you hit a coin so hard it flies off the table.
Father always does that. So he loses his turn?
Not so forceful. You must know what happens when you hit a coin so hard it flies off the table.
Father always does that. So he just have to tap the other coin.
You must know what happens when you hit a coin so hard it flies off the table.
Father always does that.
Remember, gently. You must know what happens when you hit a coin so hard it flies off.
Not too hard, not too...
You must know what happens when you hit a coin so hard it flies off the... Not so forceful. You must know what happens when you hit a coin so hard it flies... My daughter has a gentle side. Who knew? In Zeni Hajiki, you can only hit one coin at a time.
Right. Hit more than one coin, and I lose my turn.
Try hitting that first coin on its left side. You're taking to this well.
I'm ready for a real game.
You will be, after one final lesson. Pick a coin and choose wisely. Consider your first shot, and your next. Good. Now what?
I take my next shot with the coin I just hit.
Try starting with a different coin. See with that? Now what?
I take my next shot with the coin I just hit. I did it!
Sometimes it pays to listen to your mother.
You're a long way from Castle Matsumae. Who did you anger?
You're more insightful than you look.
Our commander fell out of Lord Matsumae's favor. Only the head of the Nine-Tails leader will win back his good graces.
You mean the Kitsune?
How do you know that name?
He attacked me.
And you survived?
I have my ways.
Pay the woman.
You got lucky.
You know, if you're looking for the Kitsune, we might be able to help each other. But it's too dangerous to talk in the open.
I'm not going anywhere alone with you.
Not us. Speak to our commander upstairs. Last room to the right. You look familiar.
I earned that scar. All of it. We keep order around here.
Please check out all the other things that Gentleman Jug has to offer, especially all the videos. And if you like this video, please do all the other things all the other YouTubers tell you to do. And check out the Gentleman Jug cast, pretty much available wherever you can listen to your Jug cast. Peace out! Genius of my sound, born at the bottom, but now I'm top down. Look, I'ma call it swagger. I slip through time zones like